Knicks bulletin, not even pain tolerance. This is just a random thing. New York dodged an injury bullet as Tom Thibodeau, Jalen Brunson, and Og Anunoby confirmed there's nothing wrong with the wing's elbow. The Knicks embarked on a week-long West Coast trip on Thursday, kicking it off with a matchup at Portland and a thorough beatdown of the Trailblazers, winning their first game away from New York 105-93. The evening belonged to Jalen Brunson as the marvelous point guard went on to score 45 points in 38 minutes, shooting 14 of 30 from the floor against the lowly Roses. Here is what some of our beloved Knickerbockers had to say before and after Thursday's affair. Tom Thibodeau, on Og Anunoby's injury scare midway through Thursday's game. Stuff like that is gonna happen. We were expecting there to be bumps and bruises like that. There's gonna be some times where there's gonna be soreness. He played through it, he was fine. A medical staff looked at him. There's gonna be times where it gets hit, and we just gotta keep going. Well, see where he is tomorrow. In general, like you do with all your players, there's gonna be bumps and bruises in every game. And then we check after the game, then we check in the morning. On moving Precious Achiuwa to the second unit with Og Anunoby back in the starting lineup, it's prioritizing the team. We knew that we had a deep team to start the season. One of the things we talked about right from the start was everyone's willingness to sacrifice and put the team first. So everyone wants to play, but not everyone could play. And then you have injuries, and the next thing you know, you're in there. And now, your job is to make sure you stay ready when you're not in the rotation. And then when you arrear, if your role changes, and now, you're playing an expanded roletto, be able to handle that. I think our guys have shown that all year. On Jalen Brunson playing under a minute restriction in a few recent games, it's more of a guideline. He's coming off an injury. It's not his normal. When he can play, you always have the answer sitting there. When it's a normal thing. He's feeling better now, so he should be back to what he normally is. On Isaiah Hartenstein's minute restriction and when it will end. On the action that led up to him leaving the game in pain on his injured elbow. It's just sore. Nothing really happened. Just went for a ball, and it hurt randomly, but it's fine. It was the rapid movement. I haven't done it in a while, just getting used to it. You can't recreate that in return to play and practice. It's not even pain tolerance. This is just a random thing. Jalen Brunson, on his shooting after scoring 45 points on a 2 of 10 performance from beyond the three-point line. I've had games where I've made a lot of 2 seconds and no 3 seconds. And I'm pretty sure I had one game this year where I made all 3 seconds and no 2 seconds. It happens. Just all about keeping my confidence, not worrying, second guessing, just playing through, ready.